What's up, everybody? Today I'll be showing you how to make a working clock. First things first is we need to get our maker pin out. You can do this by going to your equipment wheel and pressing the maker pin. But there's also another way to do it, and we can go into our watch menu, go to home, backpack, and press use on the maker pin. Now that we have that, we want to grab our maker pin. We want to search up the following things: player get time zone, time get universal seconds, add for get formatted time, and we want to wire all these up. So player get time zone is on the top of the add, time get universal seconds on the bottom. Sum needs to get formatted time. Now this is what we want to type in. Following is what we want to type in: H M M T T space T T. Now that we have this, we want to go and get a text. We want to wire the text to the result of the get formatted time. Now we need a event receiver. With this event receiver, we want to configure it and change it to update 30 hertz and connect the execution to the set text. Now it should automatically set text, but we're going to do a special thing. I'm going to make it special. So what we're going to do is we're going to get an int var, and this is only if you want to. This is just going to change the material. And I'm going to do a equals if another add, and there we go. And now we're going to attach this to this, this to this. Then the value of the add needs to be 1. And now we need to do if this equals, I think it's 17, but let's check real quick. We want to configure the material and see how many materials there are. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 27. There's 27 materials. So we want to configure this, say 27. Now we want to wire this condition, the bool of the equals, to the condition of the if. Now if we want to clone this variable that we spawned a second ago and move it to the right side of the if, now I want to connect the then into the execution of the int. Now we have a full system. What we're going to do is I'm going to attach the material to the material of the text and I'm going to make a delay and a button. Want to connect the pressed to the run, the after delay to the run to this. Now we have a full-blown system. Now, I'm going to set this to 5, so it'll be 5 seconds to change material. So when I press this, it's going to repeat every single time. So it runs the first time, it's at 1. And then it's going to run again, it's at 2. And it's slowly changing material. Ready? Oh, I forgot to do the set text to the set material. Now, there we go. Now it's going to change colors every second. But this is all optional. You do not have to do this if you don't want to. But that's all. Thank y'all guys for watching.